Hello everyone. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party election manager in KwaZulu-Natal has been gunned down at Mayville in Durban. According to King Zoso News, he was gunned down while he was walking with his wife. The Umkhonto weSizwe member spoke to King Zoso News and detailed what really happened. He was walking with his wife after taking a child to school, and on their way back, an unknown man shot him and ran away.
Umuntu abingelele igama lami nguThami wakamkhize eWard 101 o leader into MK kwi-zonal level okhona kodwa ebranchini nathi ke sithuswa isigameko esenzakalile la ku comrade wethu umxo wakwaZungu okade esilidela election coordinator. So nje iyasithusa kakhulu sithola nathi kumbiko ukuthi usedutshuliwe edutshule ehamba nonkosikazi wakhe ephuma nje ekhaya ethatha amagxathu ambala ngicathi nje ukudlula imizi ewu6 or 7 ephumile emzini wakhe. So isithusa kakhulu ke lento esizwayo siphuma kuma election asilidele wona kahle kakhulu umxolisi wakwaZungu.
Ube leader kuphi ube election manager kuNenda?
Ube election manager yakhona le branch in 101. Yes. So and ine number esizithole la 101 ama results abe mahle kakhulu ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe.
Yeah, mhlawumbe nje ulwazi ngokumazi ube umuntu onjani.
Ube umuntu ophansi kakhulu olunge kakhulu ube ngakuthandi ukukhuluma ngoba into ngisho kuthiwa inokukhuluma phakathi ube ngafuni ukuthi aphakamise izwi. Yamazi nje la emphakathini ube umuntu nje ongakuthanda kakhulu ukukhuluma obefuna ngaso sonke isikhathi into ibe neqiniso ibe nempumelelo phambili.
Kulimala ke njengeqembu nalana nje namalunga nilimale kanjani?
Silimale kakhulu ngoba umuntu okade noma kuthiwa kunezinto esingaboni ngaso masixabana nje into ezigeneral uyena umuntu ade ephambili ekukhuzeni efuna ukuthi into ibe neqiniso kungaxatshanwa kubonwe ngeselodwa kube nokuzwana. So silimele kakhulu nje ngokulimala kwakhe. Ababonile besingakababuzi kanje nathi siyafika namanje besithi siya othongathi la kuphephuke khona izindlu kanye namanzi besithi nje siyothatha ama comrades esleader nawo kwizone edrobheni sifonelwa nje sedrobheni nama comrades leader esleader nawo kwizone. So njengamanje nathi sisathi sisafuna ukuthola information ukuthi ubani obonile okwenzakaleni kodwa sikutholile nje ukuthi ulimale ehamba nonkosikazi wakhe kumanje ukhehla isililo awukwazi ukukhuluma naye kwamanje.
Meanwhile, more police are deployed in KwaZulu-Natal for possible unrest after elections. The national spokesperson Brigadier Glenda Mathe said the deployment was part of the Safety and Security National and Provincial Elections Plan. He said that this is the third deployment of additional police officers in KwaZulu-Natal, covering the pre, during and post-elections phase to maintain stability throughout the province. Mathe said that the first group of more than 200 officers were deployed early in May, while the second contingency of over 300 was deployed during the elections period. She said that the latest deployment of more than 300 members was meant to bolster policing operations in the post-elections phase, and said in this phase, law enforcement agencies monitor activities related to the outcome of the elections result. This means deployments remain in place at various places of interest and law enforcement agencies are ready for any emerging incidents. Speaking during a send-off, National Police Commissioner General Fani Masemula said the continuous deployment in some areas forms part of SAPS operation strategy to maintain stability throughout the country, and said, "We will continue to respond accordingly to prevent and combat criminality. We thank voters and communities for thus far for conducting themselves in an orderly and responsible manner. We hope this will prevail. Those who step out of line will be dealt with." The deployment of officers comes as contingency plan following Zuma's arrest that led to an unrest in July 2021, which resulted into over 350,000 deaths and more than 50 billion economic damage. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.